Let's Play Music Student Transfer Guide will help you with the vocabulary unique to Let's Play Music so that you can effectively communicate with and assess your new student. Let's take a look inside. This book is divided into 8 sections. The objective in each section is not a specific outcome, but to help you assess the student's level of understanding with each concept. There are 7 review sections and 1 section with information that will be new to your student. You can move as slowly or as quickly as you like through those sections. For example, you might choose to cover sections 1 through 4 in a single lesson, or you might determine that it's best to dedicate a single lesson to each of the 8 sections in the Student Transfer Guide. It's totally up to you on how you choose to get to know your new student. If it's not included, you'll want to print off our teacher supplement. This is used in conjunction with the Student Transfer Guide. It will give you all the instructions you need to work through each of the 8 sections together. Let's take a look inside of this. On our student assessment page, you will find that there is a spot dedicated for each of the 8 sections for you to make notes and assess your individual student's strengths on particular skills or concepts. Each of the sections in our Student Transfer Guide usually starts with some sort of review, followed by a theory assignment, and then there'll usually be a repertoire piece to help reinforce the concept of that section. And then sometimes we will even have something known as making musicians. These activities in sections 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are ear training activities that your student has become skilled at during their Let's Play Music lessons. There's also a note speller section. These pages are provided as extra practice in note naming, and there is a practice log. These pages are provided to help you and the student keep track of the learning in each section. Throughout both this book and the teacher supplement, you may see an album icon. This icon indicates a track found on the Connections Teacher digital album. You can scan this QR code to purchase that album, and then that will give you access to utilize those tracks via our Let's Play Music app. Our music is a very important tool, and your student will come knowing those songs. Using those songs in your lesson will allow you to strengthen the connection you make with your new student. Once you have finished this book, you will then be well educated on his or her next series or level of books to use that you already utilize in your studio. We hope you enjoyed teaching this wonderful young musician. Thank you again for partnering with Let's Play Music in the excellent education of this student.
Let's play music.